Did you know that the global e-commerce market is worth over $5 trillion? That's trillion with a T. But here's the kicker. If you're not taking advantage of this booming industry, you're leaving money on the table. And trust me, it's a lot of money. Do you want to stop being broke or struggling to save? If so, this video is for you. I'll show you a step-by-step guide to building a successful online store. The best part? You can start making money within 1 week if you act fast. Stick around until the end because I'll share a secret strategy that could triple your sales overnight. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we'll dive into even more ways to grow your wealth and set yourself up for financial freedom. Don't miss it. Let's get started. Pay attention because this could be your ticket to freedom and flexibility. First, finding the right product. You can't have an online store without a product to sell, right? But here's the catch. Not all products are created equal. Some fly off the shelves while others sit there, collecting virtual dust. So, how do you find the right product? Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Maybe it's fitness gear, pet accessories, or skincare products. Then, look for products that solve a specific problem or make life easier for customers. For example, reusable silicone bags for eco-conscious shoppers or ergonomic desk chairs for remote workers. Pro tip: use tools like Google Trends or Amazon best sellers to see what's hot right now. This way you'll tap into demand and boost your chances of success. Second, choosing the perfect platform. Once you know what to sell, the next step is setting up shop. The good news? There are tons of user-friendly platforms to help you create your store with zero coding skills required. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are some of the best options out there. Here's how to pick the right one. If you want an all-in-one solution, go with Shopify. If you already have a WordPress site, WooCommerce integrates seamlessly. For larger businesses with more products, BigCommerce offers advanced tools. Pro tip: most platforms offer free trials, so test a few before committing. It's like trying on shoes, find the one that fits perfectly. Now let's talk about design. Your store should be clean, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Remember, if your site looks like it was made in 2005, customers won't trust you. Invest in a modern template or theme to make your store look professional. Next, sourcing your products. There are a few ways to get inventory for your store, and each has its pros and cons. Dropshipping. You don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you work with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. This is great for beginners because it's low risk, but be sure to find reliable suppliers. Wholesaling. Buy products in bulk at a discount and store them yourself. This gives you more control over quality and shipping, but it requires upfront investment. Creating your own products. Are you crafty or creative? Sell something you make, like handmade jewelry, candles, or digital downloads. This makes your store unique but might take more time to scale. Keep watching because our next step could make or break your e-commerce business. Fourth, marketing your store. Now that your store is up and running, it's time to attract customers. Without traffic, even the best products won't sell. So how do you get people to your store? 1. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are gold mines for online stores. Share eye-catching photos, post behind-the-scenes content, and use hashtags to reach your target audience. If you're selling trendy or visual products, these platforms are a must. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list of potential customers and send them updates about new products, discounts, or exclusive offers. It's like sending a friendly reminder to shop. 3. Paid ads. If you have a budget, consider running ads on Google or Facebook. Target specific keywords or demographics to get your products in front of the right people. Pro tip: use analytics tools to track what's working and what's not. This way, you can focus on strategies that bring the best results. Next, customer service. Imagine walking into a store where nobody greets you or answers your questions. Not great, right? The same goes for online shopping. Excellent customer service can set you apart from competitors and keep people coming back. Here's what you can do. Respond quickly to inquiries. Nobody likes waiting. Offer clear refund and return policies to build trust. Personalize your interactions. A simple thank you for your purchase, name, can go a long way. Pro tip: consider using live chat software or chatbots to provide instant assistance. Finally, scaling your business. Congratulations, you've launched your store and made your first sales. But why stop there? Scaling your business means increasing revenue without a proportional increase in costs. Here's how to do it. Upselling and cross-selling. Offer related products to customers at checkout. For example, if someone buys a yoga mat, suggest they add a water bottle or resistance bands. Expanding your product line. Once you've mastered one niche, explore complementary products. If you sell pet collars, add leashes or pet toys. Leveraging automation. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing or inventory management. This saves time and allows you to focus on growth. Bonus strategy: build a brand. Here's the secret sauce to long-term success: building a brand. A strong brand creates trust, loyalty, and repeat customers. Start by creating a memorable logo, using consistent colors, and sharing your brand story. Why did you start this business? What problem are you solving? People love to buy from brands they can connect with. Now that you know how to make money with e-commerce, check out our suggested video for more wealth-building strategies. The clock is ticking. Don't wait to start your online store and watch your wallet grow. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to boost your income and achieve your goals.